Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello, pie lovers. In this video, I will show how to make an easy apple pie. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 ready-made pie crusts, about 6 medium-sized apples, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a small pinch of nutmeg, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. These are the foundational elements for a truly delicious pie. Now, let's prepare our delicious apple filling. Begin by peeling, coring, and thinly slicing your 6 medium apples. Aim for uniform pieces, about 1/4 inch thick, to ensure even cooking. Next, in a large mixing bowl, combine these sliced apples with the 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and the pinch of nutmeg. Gently toss everything together until the apples are beautifully coated with the sweet, spiced mixture. This step is crucial for a flavorful filling. With our filling ready, it's time to assemble the pie. Carefully place 1 pie crust into a 9-inch pie plate, pressing it gently to fit the contours. Now, pour the apple filling evenly into the bottom crust, mounding it slightly in the center. Take your 2 tablespoons of butter and dot small pieces over the top of the apple mixture. Finally, place the second pie crust over the filling, crimp the edges to seal, and cut several small vents in the top crust for steam to escape. You're almost there. The moment of truth. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the pie for 15 minutes at this temperature. Then, reduce the oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 35 to 45 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Once baked, let your pie cool for at least 2 hours before slicing. This allows the filling to set properly, ensuring perfect slices every time. Enjoy your homemade apple pie.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.